guys, welcome to my channel.
Everybody!
Bang.
Na na na.
Ah.
Na 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 na. Na na na.
Isa man na, oy.
Na 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 na.
Intermission number. Anyways, this video will show you how I made my kids' pants for the costume. Now, let's begin. Use a pair of pants that you already have and fold them in half to make a guide. Pull the crotch area out so that it is a bit pointy. Lay the guide or folded pants on the folded fabric, then trace around the edges. Make sure the side fold lines of the guide are aligned. Next, flip the guide over to the other side, then trace again. Careful not to write on the guide because this is the uniform pants of my boy. Pin the fabric together so it won't move while cutting. Make sure to leave at least 1/2 inch for seam allowances on the sides, about 3 inches on the top for the elastic casing, and 1 inch for the bottom hem. You can measure the exact allowances or just eyeball them. Add a bit of extra space in the crotch area so that there is plenty of room to bend over and move around without stressing the seam. Sew the seams from the waist part to crotch area only. After the straight stitch, I used zigzag stitch to keep the pants from unraveling after several wash and wear. You can choose the type of zigzag stitch you want. After sewing the crotch parts, now it's time to sew the inseams for the leg parts. Open up the fabric like this, so the crotch points are in the middle. Align the inseams together, then pin and sew starting at the bottom of the crotch where the legs meet, then sew all the way down to the hem. For the waist, fold 1 inch elastic casing enough to insert the 3/4 inch elastic band. Pin, then sew. Leave an opening so it is where the elastic band is inserted through a safety pin. Sew the hems of the pants as well and repeat on the other side. Make sure their lengths are the same after folding and sewing. Except for the elastic band, the pair of pants is done! Turn it inside out and put some embellishments for the costume. And here it is! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See ya!